In June 2024, the San Jose Sharks used the fifth pick in the NHL draft on an 18-year-old from Russia named Ivan Demidov. He had not signed a contract with the Sharks. He had not committed to leaving St. Petersburg. Scouts described him as the most technically skilled forward in the draft class, with hands and footwork that took most players years to develop, appearing in a teenager. Demidov came up through SKA Saint Petersburg, one of Russia's most competitive hockey academies. At 16, he was already playing in the MHL against players 3 and 4 years older. In the 2023-24 season, he recorded 55 points in 44 games. Scouts who watched him in person described stick handling and edge work that the statistics could not fully capture. The 2024 NHL draft was held in Las Vegas in late June. San Jose, who had finished last in the Western Conference, selected Macklin Celebrini first overall, then acquired the fifth pick and took Demidov. Two of the most anticipated prospects in the class, chosen by the same franchise on the same night. Celebrini flew to California. Demidov flew back to St. Petersburg. The problem was the contract. Demidov was signed to SKA Saint Petersburg through 2025, and KHL rules made leaving before the end of that deal nearly impossible. NHL teams hold the rights to drafted players for a limited window. If Demidov did not sign with San Jose before that window closed, the Sharks would lose him entirely. Several Russian top 10 picks from previous drafts never played a single NHL game. Through the winter of 2024, Demidov kept playing for SKA while his contract ran its course. In the spring of 2025, with his KHL obligations fulfilled, he signed with the Sharks and crossed to North America. He was 19. The fifth pick of the 2024 draft had taken 11 months to reach the team that selected him. Some arrivals take longer than draft night suggests.